Hi, it's Peter here from the Airgun Centre. I just want to take a couple of moments to show you some of the high-end spring rifles from Weihrauch. I'll start with the 97s. This is your standard 97, which is a underlever rifle. It's got the sliding breech. It's got anti-bear trap, so as when that's cocked, it protects your fingers when you're loading the pellet in the breech. It comes with a automatic safety catch here. All these Weihrauchs I'm going to show you, they come with a record one-piece trigger unit, which is a hammer trigger. It's a fantastically good trigger unit. It's as good as anything I've ever used. It's a very, very clever design. So this is, as I say, the standard 97K. A fabulous, bit of a legend really, been a fantastically received rifle. Comes in various formats. The metalwork's all the same, but this is what we call the KT in Beech. So it's a thumb hole stock, really fits the hand nice. It's a lovely thing, nicely styled. That's the KT Beech. It comes in the KT Tactical, which same thing, it's a thumb hole stock, KT, but the tactical stock, the black stock, very nice variant. And then finally, this one, which is the KT stainless 97. So you can see that the action is all stainless coated. It's a really nice finish, silver finish, tactical stock. There you go, that's the 97 range. There is another underlever in the Weihrauch range. Well, there's more than one, but today I'm going to show you this one because we're looking at the high-end springers. This one is the Weihrauch 77K. The main difference between this and a 97 is this doesn't have a silencer or a muzzle end, if you like. It has open sights, which is really quite good because it can suit, you know, the indoor target shooter or anyone who just wants to use nice quality open sights. Again, the metalwork's the same, trigger unit's the same. That's a Beech stock and that's the only version it comes in, like that. Now, if we move on down, I'll show you the three main break barrel rifles from Weihrauch. We'll start with this one because it is a little bit unusual. This is the Weihrauch HW90. Tremendous sporting rifle, really, really popular with pest control people because instead of here inside the cylinder of the rifle, there's no mainspring. It's actually a gas ram system. So it's effectively like a little shock absorber in there. When you cock it and you break the barrel like that, you're actually compressing the shock absorber together instead of a mainspring. Now, the main benefits from that are slightly reduced recoil and obviously no spring buzz because there's no mainspring, but you can leave it cocked indefinitely because all you're doing is compressing air rather than a mainspring. So you can sit in your hide with your safety catch on, ready to go without worrying about damaging the mainspring. It also has another clever feature, which is a resettable safety. So should you be sat in your hide and you flick the safety off, you can reset it, click of that little button there, and it puts it back in safe mode. This rifle is actually fitted with a very effective silencer, and it does keep it, for a self-contained rifle, keeps the noise down very well. So that's the 90, quite a unique thing. Then we move on to this, which is the 95. It's Beech stock, how they come. Again, break barrel, but with the traditional mainspring. Again, fitted with a very, very effective silencer. This little rifle is considerably lighter than the 90. A real popular rifle. A very, very nice thing to use. Again, very popular with pest control. And then probably the most famous break barrel that I've ever sold since I've been here for the 40 odd years I've been here. This is the Weihrauch 80. Again, break barrel, effective silencer, the record one-piece trigger unit, safety catch. That is a very, very famous, totally successful spring rifle. It's basically as simple as this. Any rifle you buy or pistol you buy from us, as long as you are the owner, we will service it whenever it needs servicing. That includes parts and labour, so it is totally free of charge. And if the rifle or the pistol ever malfunctions, we'll put it right for you. And again, that's parts and labour, so there's no charge to you whatsoever. And that's for as long as you are the owner of the rifle or the pistol. It's as simple as that. There's no small print, nothing to read, no catches, no hidden anything. It's as simple as that.